Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. It is almost fall time. It is already August, you guys, and I came up with this pumpkin decor that you can use as a centerpiece or by your fireplace. I definitely love the way this turned out, and I made it using all Dollar Tree items. So if you want to see how I made this quick and easy decor, just keep on watching. First, here we're going to take two of these glass from Dollar Tree, and we're going to fill it with these foam glitter balls, and then I'm going to go in with E6000, and that's right, I'm going to line the rim with E6000, and then I'm going to take the second glass and close it up. This is going to look like an orb or a ball, so you can definitely put anything you want inside or Halloween theme this and use black flowers instead and skulls inside. Definitely take this idea and make it your own. So here we're going to set it aside because E6000 does take a while to seal, and now it's time to paint. So I'm going to go in with this clear school glue and this chocolate bar color paint, and that's just acrylic paint. I'm going to go ahead and mix those two together, and I'm going to paint my glass, only the bottom part, because I still want that top part to be see-through, of course, so I can see what's inside. Before I forget to mention, if you love videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss out on my next video. Now, as you can see here, one coat is not going to cut it. We're going to let this dry, and we're going to go ahead and apply a second coat, and I'm going to do the same thing to the top glass as well. And once it's dry, I'm going to apply some hot glue, and I'm going to have my floral foam on the top. That's where we're going to apply our flowers and set our pumpkin on top of it. So as you see here, I'm going to take this bouquet mix that I also picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add my flowers, and if it is Halloween, feel free to use black flowers instead. And I added the picks as well and painted a foam pumpkin white, and this is how it looks. I'm definitely pleased with the way it turned out, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs, and be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye!